Welcome, welcome to Seasparkles Corner, and welcome to another recipe. Today, I want to experiment with a new recipe that I hope you like. Popcorn pork chops. Just so you know, we can't pop the pork chops, but I heated up a bag in the microwave of buttered popcorn, and then I used this like this, and crushed it down like this, okay? And then take your fork, and the meat was already prepared, washed and prepared and all that stuff. Go like this, and there you go. And then you want to take some garlic salt and put it in the popcorn and a little bit in the egg, like that. And a little bit of black pepper. And it didn't make me sneeze. Oh, there you go. You see, because there's a lot on there. And then a little bit of salt. There, just a dash. Just a dash. Okay? And then mix it up. Make sure you wash your hands first like I do. Okay, and then take and mix this up. Mixing, 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 fairy princess. Okay, put that out of the way. This is all done. As you know, I always put everything away so it doesn't, wait a minute, nope. Yep, this is all done. Okay, alright, now we're going to cook it in our Hamilton Beach brand new roaster at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. You want to get these done all the way up till they hit about between 140 and 400, 145, sorry, I had a hard day, 140 and 145 with your meat thermometer to make sure they're done all the way. You don't want to eat underdone pork. Okay, so take and do your pork chop and your popcorn mix like that, and then coat it in the eggs like that again, then coat it back in your popcorn. Okay, you want to do that. Okay, the idea is to grind it really small. I should have really put it in our mixer and had that grinded up. That way it wouldn't be so coated in the popcorn. Because I should have crushed this up more. The smaller your popcorn you grind it up, the better. We got this mixer that David got that grinds stuff up really good, and we should have actually used that.
Yeah, it's a Ninja blender.
And that would have really got this small like breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
And that's what I wanted to use, but I don't know where he shoved it at.
It's back there.
Okay. And so, but I crushed it really teeny weeny itsy bitsy, teeny weeny itsy little bitsy popcorn.
He had been wanting one, and we caught it on sale for $29. It's like $80 new.
You're gonna use a lot of the popcorn. And I cooked the popcorn in the microwave because I bought microwave buttered popcorn. And oh, by the way, this was 4 eggs because we have, as you can see, there's a whole bunch of pork chops on here. If you get like less pork chops, use less. If you want more pork chops, use more. Okay, now let me wash my hands again. Okay, and we're going to have brush and the oil. Okay, now we're going to take this over to our roaster, and it should be at 350 degrees preheated. Okay, now we need a little dish. Excuse me, sweetheart. Here we go. I'm going to put the oil in here to brush. Okay, there we go. Now you want to take, with your preheated roaster, I'm not recommending any type of roaster. Use your own roaster. I don't recommend any type of brands. Take the oil and dab it on that side. I'm using canola oil, but use your favorite oil. And put it in your roaster. We're going to have to put it like that because it's falling down the cracks. Alright, then take your brush again. And dab that. Now we're going to do that again. As you can see, I'm dabbing that. You're doing it on both sides. When you put it in there, you put the oil, the side you brush down first. Okay, then get more oil in there. Like I said, this is a lot of meat. But do we have men here that are real meat lovers?
Yep.
Now, there is another way you could do this, but since this is a brand new recipe that I'm trying, you could put aluminum in the bottom of your roaster and then put these on the aluminum foil. And brush the aluminum foil with the oil, of course, so it doesn't stick. Okay, and then after 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, turn them over to the other side and brush again. Whoa, finally getting down there to the last pork chop. Alright. Alright. Now as you can see, they're all in there. And then what I'm going to do is just take another drizzle of oil on it. I'm just taking a drizzle. Alright. We'll cover it. And we see them on 350. We'll cover it. And make sure it's thoroughly covered, and in about 10 minutes you'll see me. This is part 1. I'm going to turn them over and see if it needs any more brushing, and then we'll check it again another 10 minutes. You keep doing that and use your meat thermometer to check the temperature, and see you soon. Don't go away.